swears God's on their side. Pick your book and draw your line. Your truth is sacred, what about mine? Raise your border, wave your flag. Sell salvation in a body bag. Who's wrong? Who's right? If God is love, why do we fight? Same blood, different gods. Same dirt, different flags. Same tears, different skies. Same death, different lies. How many heavens to build? One. Help! Help! Same blood, different gods. No holy war. Bless that bullet, bless that gun. Everybody's a chosen one. Preach your peace and start a war. What the hell is heaven for? We drew the lines across the land, put the weapons in their hands, called it holy, called it right. Then sent our children out to fight. Same blood, different gods. Same death, different lies. Different books, different names, different reasons, same old graves. God didn't make us enemies. We did! Drop the flags, drop the names, drop the borders, drop the hate, strip it all away. What remains? Same blood, same. Blood. Same blood. Different gods. No more sides. No more lies. Same blood. No holy war. Same blood. Good. Different gods. How many heavens to build one hell? Same fucking blood.